In this video, I'll show can we mirror screen on Samsung Galaxy A06. Let's check it out. First, you need to go to Settings and search Screen Mirroring or Smart View. Screen mirroring not available on settings. Let's check on quick panel settings. Smart View is not showing also on quick panel settings. But don't worry, you can install a third-party app called Google Home, which is officially available on Google Play Store. So that's it about the video. Hope this helps. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.